Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to show you guys the stickers I'm going to be working with for the Plan With Me for October 5th through the 11th. I don't have my camera on tripod right now because I'm trying to do this very quickly, and this is just easier for me right now. So I'm doing Staycation from GoldPaperPrints for this week. This week happens to be fall break for my kiddo, so I just want to show you what's left over after the base plan. I didn't film the base plan because I honestly didn't know I was going to do any of this until last minute. But let me go ahead and show you what the base looks like. So there's that. I started to plan as well. I know I probably shouldn't have, but I don't know. I just wanted to get this started because I knew it was going to be a hectic week. So I have a 6-page weekly kit plus 2 add-ons. The third add-on is this one right here. This is what I use for my monthly. So I have these left to work with for my Plan With Me. I have these, plenty of these, scripts, extra headers, all of these. So what I do with my Plan With Me's are I fill out everything that I know for sure that's going to happen during this week, and then on Fridays I'm going to film a memory plan. So I'm going to use my daily planner as like my little journal to help me out with what I did each day, rather than my usual just slapping it all together and doing it each day or as I can throughout the week to fill out what was going on. So I'm going to do that next. Hey guys, so I just did an intro and I added it because I want to show you guys a close-up, but as I'm sitting here trying to figure out what I need to add, I realized the only thing that I needed to add was this right here, and I will zoom in. And this is October 8th. This is the last day of our apartment lease. We do currently live in our house, but this is when our apartment lease is up because our first mortgage payment isn't due until this month. Today is currently the 30th, so I will pay it tomorrow on the 1st. We've lived here 5 weeks. By this week right here, we'll live here 7 weeks. Or 6 weeks? 6 weeks. But I just realized that this is like the only thing I had to add in because I totally didn't realize that I was going to get a desk and all of that, so I'd already started planning. Oh, suppose I can also do this. My mom's birthday. And then, yeah, that's like practically it. So the only other thing I'm going to do is fill in everything. And that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this in, and then that's the end of the video. It's extremely short. Like a hot mess, if anything. And then I will go ahead and add stickers once the week happens, and we'll do a memory spread on this day, and then it'll post Sunday or Monday. So, alright. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys soon. Bye, guys.